The chisel-releases GitHub repository contains all the chisel-release envelopes for different versions of Ubuntu. Now, all the slices are located in the slices directory, and the file name is actually package.yaml. So if I was looking for OpenSL slices, for example, I would look for the OpenSL.yaml file here and see what slices I have there. So I have here the bin slice, config, data, and copyright. Now, this is a bit tedious to look for a slice in this way. So we do have a couple of commands in Chisel that can help with this. So first of all, we have the find command, which just searches for a particular slide. So if I do chisel find help, uh, it queries the slide definitions for matching slices, and we do have globes allowed in the query. Now, by default, it's gonna look for a slice in the release that is the same as the host. So I have here an Ubuntu 2404 machine. So if I do chisel find, so it's gonna look for the OpenSL slices in the 2404 release. So it's processing the 2404 release and checking whatever slices it has for OpenSL. So right now we have only 4 slices for OpenSL in the 2404 release. What I can also do is look for these slices in another release via the release flag. The release. Now, if I want to look for OpenSL in Google, what I'll do is pass the release name, look for the OpenSL slices. As the help guy mentions, I can pass globes as well. So if I was to look for any slice that begins with open, uh, this, so it matches the Java slice as well that begins with OpenJDK. What I can also do is look for all the slices that binaries. So typically in chisel releases, we have the bin slice that contains all the binaries. If I was looking for those slices, which were uploaded, yes. And here I have a list of slices, a list of bin slices. Note here that although this is not a bin slice, it also matches the query because the chisel finds does a little bit of partial matching as well. So this one matches there as well. Now, this accomplishes seeing what slices we have available, but what if we want to inspect what the slice contains? Luckily, chisel has another command for that as well, chisel info command. And the info command shows the slice definition for a particular slice. You can pass a slice name, a package name, or a combination of both, and multiple of those queries, and it's gonna output all of those together. So let's try it out. Let's say I want to check for the OpenSL bin slice. And oh, so out so bins. I have the OpenSL slice here. Now these are logs, and I could probably pass them. Well, right. So we have the OpenSL bin slice definition here. Note that although the OpenSL package has a few other slices too, this info command will only show what you queried to be. So we queried for OpenSL bins and will only show the bin slice. Now, if we did OpenSL all, it can show the package as well. So if you specify a package here, it will show all the slices it has available for that. So we have bins, config, copyright, and data. What I can also do is combine this query with a slice from some other package. So let's do libc6 libs and probably see its data as well. Now, the first one is the OpenSO slices, and then we have a line break here, followed by the libc6 lib slice. Then finally we have another line break and followed by the CS certificates data slice. So the find and info command together helps to find and inspect slice definition that is available or not. If it's available, you can use the info command to look what's inside. Now, note here that the info command does not accept globes like the find command does. So in the info command, you can only pass the full slice name or the full package. It has to be either one of those. So if I do cheaper for so asterisk, it probably will fail with an error. Say I didn't find it. See, so this is searching for the 24 forward. So it gives an error saying, well, there is no classification found. So asterisk. That's how you inspect the slice or find slice. Thank you.